Creepy 1960s-style documentary presents The Corvair in Action. An American-made hunk of metal that gets you where you need to go. You're not a real man if you can't parallel park. A Chevy Corvair man knows that his wife does the groceries. And as well that she will nag you incessantly as you perform high-speed turns. Just look at these tests that simulate things in your car that you're never going to do. And just like your wife, if supper isn't on the table, this suspension sure can take a pummeling. The Chevy Corvair. If you don't buy one, you're a commie bastard.